Deep inside the rainforests of Central America stand enormous stone pyramids, abandoned palaces, and silent cities swallowed by jungle. These ruins belong to the Maya civilization, one of the most intelligent and advanced societies in ancient history. They mastered mathematics, astronomy, architecture, and writing. Yet, around 1100 years ago, their great cities were abandoned. The Maya people did not vanish suddenly. There was no single invasion, no giant explosion, no apocalypse. So what really happened? Why did the Maya civilization disappear? Today, we uncover the true story behind one of history's greatest collapses. Who were the Maya? The Maya civilization developed in Mesoamerica, covering present-day southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. Their history began around 2000 BCE, but their golden age, known as the Classic period, 250 to 900 CE, marked the height of their power. Unlike empires such as Rome or Egypt, the Maya were not unified under one ruler. They lived in independent city-states, each ruled by a king known as a Kul Ajah. Cities like Tikal, Palenque, Copan, and Calakmul became centers of politics, religion, and science. Maya achievements. The Maya were among the most advanced civilizations of the ancient world. They developed the most complex writing system in the Americas, recording history on stone monuments and codices. They invented advanced mathematics, including the concept of zero, centuries before Europe. Maya astronomers accurately tracked the sun, moon, and planets, creating calendars so precise they could predict eclipses. Their architecture included massive pyramids, reservoirs, roads, and observatories, all built without metal tools or wheeled transport. Yet, despite their brilliance, something began to go terribly wrong. The Great Maya Collapse. Between 800 and 900 CE, many major Maya cities in the southern lowlands were abandoned. Construction stopped, inscriptions disappeared, royal dynasties collapsed. This event is known as the Classic Maya Collapse. Importantly, this was not the end of the Maya people. It was the collapse of their urban political system. Historians agree there was no single cause. The collapse was the result of multiple connected crises. Severe drought. One of the strongest causes was climate change. Scientific evidence from lake sediments and cave formations shows that the Maya region suffered long and repeated droughts between 800 and 1000 CE. Rainfall decreased dramatically for decades. Most Maya cities had no nearby rivers. They depended on rainwater reservoirs. When the rain stopped, water supplies collapsed. Without water, agriculture failed, and hunger followed. Agriculture and famine. Maya society depended heavily on maize, corn. Corn was not just food, it was sacred. But corn farming is extremely vulnerable to drought. As rainfall failed, harvests collapsed. Malnutrition spread among the common people. Archaeological evidence shows signs of poor health and starvation in skeletons from the late Maya period. Hunger weakened society from within. Environmental destruction. Ironically, Maya's success contributed to their downfall. To build cities and temples, they cleared vast forests. Trees were burned to produce lime plaster for buildings. Deforestation caused soil erosion, reduced rainfall, and destroyed fertile land. The environment could no longer support the growing population. Nature began to push back. Warfare and political failure. For many years, scholars believed the Maya were peaceful. That idea is now proven false. Hieroglyphs reveal constant warfare between city-states, raids, battles, and captured kings. As resources became scarce, wars intensified. Maya kings were believed to be divine. When droughts continued and defeats increased, people lost faith in their rulers. Political authority collapsed, cities fell into chaos. Trade collapse and abandonment. Maya cities depended on long-distance trade for jade, obsidian, salt, and cacao. War and instability destroyed trade routes. Without trade, cities could no longer survive. People migrated to safer regions. Palaces and temples were slowly abandoned, reclaimed by the jungle. The Maya did not disappear. The Maya civilization did not vanish completely. When the Spanish arrived centuries later, they encountered living Maya societies. Today, over 6 million Maya people still live across Central America, preserving their language, culture, and traditions. Only the ancient political system collapsed, not the people. The Maya civilization fell due to drought, environmental damage, overpopulation, warfare, and political failure. Their story is not just history, it is a warning. Even the most advanced civilizations can collapse if they ignore nature and divide themselves. The Maya disappeared from their cities, but their legacy still speaks through stone, science, and survival.